What did that say on the sign?
Monster Jam today.
Yeah, is that what you think the Monster Jam is today?
So we're going to Monster Jam. Mommy, tell Mommy to sing.
Sweet!
Tell Mommy to sing Mommy's car. Okay, so I figured it out. We're going to Monster Jam, right, Dad?
How much is parking?
Mommy,
Are you excited?
So are we going to Monster Jam?
Yes. Why do you think you're wearing that shirt?
Oh.
That was your clue.
Maybe
Tell brother.
Carson, we're going to go see Monster Jam.
I don't know.
What, are they going to be loud?
Yes.
But we wear headphones.
Right.
Got him.
Excited?
Get my Monster Jam headphones?
Are you excited?
Headphones. Thank you, Mama. Daddy,
Hey.
did you give me Monster Jam headphones?
Yes.
Over here. Are we going to go down there?
No. Hey, Hudson. This was all Daddy's doing.
What?
Daddy's the one that set all this up. What do you say?
Thank you, Dad.
You're welcome.